In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Lloyds Bank by phone. It's actually a pretty straightforward process once you know where to look, and I'm here to guide you through each and every step to ensure it's as easy as possible. Whether you have a query about your account, need assistance with banking services, or just have any other banking related concerns, reaching out to Lloyds Bank by phone can help you get the answers you need quickly. First things first, let's start by heading over to Lloyds Bank's official website. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and typing in www.lloydsbank.com. Once the website has loaded, you'll see a variety of options, but don't worry, I'll guide you to the right section. It might feel like there are a lot of different pages and information at your disposal. After all, this is a bank website, but we're focusing on the contact method via phone today. Now that you're on the Lloyds Bank homepage, you'll want to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Keep going as you pass all the helpful links and information until you reach the bottom section. Here, you're looking for an option that says Call Us. This will be a direct link to the page containing all the phone contact details, so give that a click. Once you've clicked on Call Us, you'll be taken to a new page that organizes the contact information into various sections, each with drop-down menus. These drop-downs are categorized to help you find the right phone number based on your specific concern. For example, there might be categories for personal banking, business inquiries, technical support, and more. It's important to choose the category that best suits your particular issue or question. These categories help streamline the process so that when you do make the call, you're directed to the correct department as quickly as possible. Once you've determined the appropriate category, simply click on the relevant dropdown. Inside, you should see the specific phone number you'll need to call. Make sure to note down the number correctly, or even better, if you're using a smartphone, you can directly tap the number to initiate the call. It's always a good idea to have any necessary account details on hand when you make the call, as this will help the customer service representative assist you more efficiently. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily reach out to Lloyds Bank by phone for any questions or support you might need. By using their designated numbers, you'll be connected to the department best equipped to help you, ensuring your queries are resolved swiftly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process as smooth as possible for you.